Hello friends, what's up? I'm Ashok. Welcome in my channel. Friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you how we can be a good speaker. Okay, whatever we are speaking the language, whether we are speaking in Marathi, whether we are speaking in Hindi, or whether we are speaking in English, but how we can be a good speaker, how we can become it. Okay, so I will share you the great points, very important points, which are in the fifth standard syllabus, board syllabus. So these points very helpful to improving our speaking skill or to the improving our speaking style. Okay, so let's we move our today's video. If you like my video, then please subscribe this channel, or if you want to get the new and latest videos of mine, then also you can subscribe this channel. Okay, let's we move today's video. The chapter is be a good speaker. 11.1, be a good speaker, on page number 24. Okay, so let's see how we can be a good speaker. So here are some points, and through this point, applying through this point, we can be a good speaker. Some people are good speakers. Okay, some people are good speaker. Some are shy. Some speak easily with their friends and relatives, but become nervous in front of a big audience. What about you? Okay, so some people are very good speaker. Some people, while they are speaking to the friend, while they are speaking to the relative, so at that time they feel shy, or when they feel like this, so at that time they cannot make the communication good between them. Or if they are speaking well, if they are a very good speaker, but when they see the big audience in front of them, so at that time also they cannot speak. So what is our condition, how we are? Okay, let's see. It is important to be able to speak well. Okay, so it's very important to be able to speak well. And if we make up your mind, it is not very difficult to do so. So if we think that we can speak very easily in front of the big audience, then it's not difficult to speak there. But if we think in our mind that we cannot speak in front of the big audience, then we cannot speak. Okay, so it's all depend on our mind. Okay, let's see next. Remember these few things when you speak. So here are some things, some points which are very important while we are speaking into the audience or in front of the big audience. So keep these points in your mind. First point is speak clearly, don't mumble. Okay, the first point is speak clearly. Okay, and don't bumble. Don't bumble, it means what? So like this you don't do. Speak clearly. Then look at the persons when you talk to them. So every time whenever you are speaking or talking to someone, so at that time towards that person you see, you look into his or her eyes. You should not be too loud or too soft. So this is one way that we can speak to anyone. So at that time when we are speaking to someone, at that time we have to know that whether we put our sound low or whether we put our sound soft or whether we put our sound very high. So it's depend on that particular situation. It's depend on us what type of way that we can use there. So we think about that. Then whether we speak too fast or too slow, it is depend on that situation. Then be polite and be pleasant. Okay, be polite whenever you are speaking and feel that, be pleasant. Then give a thought to the other person's feelings and interests. So give the chance to speak to the others, then they can also speak, they can also participate in your communication. Then next, when you take part in the in a discussion, so when you are taking a part in discussion, so at that time you keep these some points in your mind. What the points are? Look, the first point is, don't keep talking all the time. So you don't talk all the time, you stop your talking and listen sometime, so that is the best. Okay, don't keep talking all the time, don't only you talk, keep don't you talk continuously. Let others speak. Okay, so let speaks the others. Then second, show interest in what others say and listen carefully. So whether you are very unsatisfied or you don't like the other sound, but at that time you stop your talking and let others to speak there, though you are not very interested in the topic, but show like that, show like that, that you are very interested in that topic. Then next, when you agree with others or like their ideas, do tell them that. When you agree with others, so at that time you do tell them that, then they can participate again and they will more and more enthusiasm to communicate with you. Then do share your own thoughts and ideas with others. So you share your thoughts, your ideas to the others. Then if you do not understand something, ask for any explanation politely. So if you want to ask because you don't understand, then ask politely, very politely. Then you will get your answer, you will get your solution. Okay, if you will not ask, then you will not get the solution. Okay, so asking question, it means getting knowledge. According to me, asking question, it means getting knowledge. If you will not ask, you will not get knowledge. So ask, you will get knowledge. Okay, so whenever you are asking to someone about anything, so then please ask politely. Then next, use polite words and expressions when you want to interrupt someone. So when you don't understand and you want to interrupt to someone, so at that time give polite words. Okay, use polite words and expression also, because all and so many things depend on the expression. Okay, so expressions are very important, like the words. Okay, expression do works like words. Okay, so expressions are important, so use correct expressions while you are interrupting to someone. Then next, when you disagree with someone or when you seek explanations and give them. So when you want give the explanation or when you want ask the explanation, so at that time you use polite word and expression also. Then next, now here is when you want to give a speech. So while you are going to give a speech, so at that time keep these points in your mind. What the points are there? Plan your speech in advance. So now tomorrow is a 15 August, so before 15 August, before 2 or 3 days, you prepare yourself that which topic that you are going to speak. Okay, so prepare before, prepare advance. Then next, note the points and arrange them properly. So point out some notes and then arrange them very properly. Connect one point to the another point, so listener can listen you very carefully. They can understand what you are speaking there. So all this matter is very important. Then next, rehearse the speech in your mind and go ahead. So while you are going to give a speech, so at that time rehearse yourself, means speak in your mind what you want speak while you are giving the speech. So this point is very very important. Rehearse the speech in your mind, rehear again and again and again and again. It means you will be good in that, and then whenever you face the big audience, so at that time you will not fear them, you will go there very confidently and you will speak in front of them. So that is the one way. Okay, so keep these points in your mind. So today we have to stop here. We have seen this on page number 25. Be a good speaker. then we follow these some points: speak clearly, don't mumble, and all that. Whenever we want to interrupt to someone, so at that time we use politely some words. So all these points we should keep in our mind. And at the last we learn, when or while we are going to give a speech, so at that time these 3 points that we should keep in our mind. The first point is that we have to prepare very advance of that speech, then we have to point out, then rehearse the speech in our mind. So these 3 points are very important, friends. If we prepare very well, if we prepare these points, then we can speak very fluently any language, like Marathi, like Hindi, like English, so any language that we can speak. So prepare these points. Okay, I think I clear my point here well. I hope so. I clear my point here well. If you have any difficulty, any doubt, then please comment me in the comment box. Or if you want suggest me anything, it's not related to this only. If you want suggest me about my teaching skill, about anything, then please, then also you can comment me in the comment box. Okay, if you like this video, then share it to all your friends and subscribe the channel. Okay, I'll stop here. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice time. Bye.